Hey guys, what's up? Kezon McNeill. Welcome back, Kezon McNeill Show. Today I am super excited. I had my electrician here last Friday and I'm making my upgrade to get my charger for in-home charging. You know, that plug-in charger that the Tesla comes with it's like 20, takes damn near like 26 hours for this thing to charge up. So I was using the supercharger. You know, many of you know I started a rental rideshare company. So I rent these Teslas out. I have two right now. I rent them out to rideshare drivers. But, you know, I push it around too, do a little dabbling myself with the Uber every now and then, just to kind of learn the business, etc. But super excited about this right here, guys. Man, this right here, this charger right here, this is it right here. It's the NEMA 1450. This is the upgraded charge you're going to need. If you have the Tesla adapter, many of you already know, you just pretty much plug that in to, here's the old one that I was using. This is the one like having a light bulb, like if you're using a light. So it's like the regular plug. You know, you just plug that into your charger and then you charge and it takes forever to charge. We know how that goes. Many of you may not know, but the Tesla is always burning battery. So even when it's sitting still, it's burning battery, right? So I had an electrician, thanks to my good friend Kim. He showed me his setup. Him and his wife, they both have two Teslas, and he gave me the plug in terms of how he does it. He said all you need to have an electrician come out, and the type of wadding you need, the type of outlet you need, is the same size as that outlet you get that your drive's plugged into, but it's a little more amped. So had my electrician come over. He did an amazing job. This is what he installed this here. I got my charger plugged in now. So all I had to do was, when I got my new adapter, I just pulled the old one out and popped that one in. I think I paid 65 bucks for this here off Amazon. Check it out, go get it. You know, amazing. But spend between $300 to $350 to have an electrician come out, tell him what you're doing. He'll already know. Also upgraded my amp, so I have an EV charger amp now, 50-watt amp. So I'm all good there. And let me tell you the charge time on this thing. Oh my gosh, my goodness, man, it is amazing. I'm in love. I'm happy now. I do a lot of running around with my various businesses, and so I definitely am grateful for that. So, you know, once you get a charge, it's just simple. You know, plug it in, boom, and I'm getting about 30 miles per hour with this upgraded charging situation at home. So super excited. If you don't have in-home charging, you don't need to buy a charging station. You see I have the cord. My wife has a cord. She has a BMW i4, so she can use her adapter and plug in as well now. Grateful for her. She gets free charging. That's work. So she's good, but it's been a lifesaver, man. So that being said, you have to get in-home charging. Don't sit there and pay for no freaking thousands of dollars for no EV in-home blah. Man, just have an electrician come and tell them what you're trying to do. You'll spend between $300 to $350. That's no more. You spend no more than that, and you'll spend about another 70 bucks ordering the adapter I just showed you online, and you're all set. Your life is back. I'll see you guys in the next episode.